Alright guys, Rocket Johnny here with another video for our PC build. We will be unboxing the power supply. This is the EVGA SuperNOVA 650 P2. It's a 650 watt platinum power supply. There'll be a link in the description to it. They can check out all the features and everything that it comes with. Now this power supply from EVGA is fully modular. Has a very quiet 140 millimeter fan. Comes with a slew of cables. And when you're selecting your power supply, you need to consider your estimated power consumption of your PC. And in our case, for this build, it's 514 watts. And a good rule of thumb is not to exceed 80% loading of your power supply. And our 514 watts puts us right at 79% loading of our 650 watt power supply. So that's why this one was selected. It's not too oversized to where we're spending more than we need to, but still provides a good margin so that we don't have to worry about not having enough power, not overloading our power supply, and we should get plenty of life out of this thing. So let's open it up. Okay. And as an added bonus, we're also going to unbox a custom colored cable set for this power supply. All right, so we've got the manual here. And we've got some nice bags here. All right. And we've got a whole bunch of cables. We also have some cable management here. These are Velcro strips to help manage some of the cables. It comes with the black sleeve. You can see it's got a nice sleeve on there. Weave cable design there. It's our main AC power cable. We've got some little adapter cables. Then we've got our big cable that goes to the motherboard. Got some different cables for drives and SATA drives here. So quite a few cables for our graphics card. Additional cables for the CPU. Okay. So a whole bunch of cables. We've got some screws here. And this little adapter here. And then we've got the actual power supply. And it comes in a nice little bag. And there it is. You can see all the power connections there. And your power switch. Actually, that is for eco mode, on or off. Your main power switch is on the other side here, where you plug your AC input. So this is the side that will be on the back, in our case, of the tower case. And we've got the power switch there, fan on the bottom. Okay. And you can order custom colored cable sets to go with this thing. You can get them from third parties, or you can actually get them from EVGA as well. So we got a custom white cable set to go with this power supply. We are using a white case, and we'll have some other white accents in there. So thought this would be a nice touch. So let's take a look at these also. So we've got a bunch of cables here. Let's put these open. Okay. And again, you can see these are maybe a little hard to see there, but these also have a nice weave cable jacket on them, and we got the white cables there, so that's going to look good with our build. We've got the full set of cables that goes with this power supply. So take a look in the description. We'll have the links to all this stuff and links to the additional videos. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the videos of the PC build. Thanks.